and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I thought a quick video on the audio preamps in the X-T3. I did a video on testing a cheap lavalier against a more expensive lavalier just using the X-T3 preamps, and I thought they were quite good. So this time I've got the Deity V-mic D3 mounted, pointing straight at me. It's plugged straight into the X-T3 at the moment, and it's on manual preamps. I've just set the levels at a base level, and I thought I'd test it against some of the external recorders I have. So I have the Tascam DR05, and I also have the DR60D Mark II. So I thought I would just do a quick test first on the X-T3, then on each of these, and we'll see if there is a big difference, or is it just as good just to use the X-T3. So you put them all into Premiere, put them together. Won't do any adjustments on the audio. We'll just see what they all sound like and see if the X-T3 sounds better or worse or the same, and is it worth having external recorders or just use the X-T3. I'll read a small passage just out of the X-T3 manual just to see what it sounds like. So I've got a bass. So here we go. Although the camera boasts a high precision autofocus system, it may be unable to focus on the subjects listed below. Very shiny subjects such as mirrors or car bodies, subjects photographed through a window or other reflective object, dark subjects and subjects that will absorb rather than reflect light such as hair or fur. So that's the Deity D3 on the X-T3. So now let's try it in the DR05. So this is the Deity D3 recording into the Tascam DR05, and I'll read the same passage. Although the camera boasts a high precision autofocus system, it may be unable to focus on the subjects listed below. Very shiny subjects such as mirrors or car bodies, subjects photographed through a window or other reflective object, dark subjects and subjects that absorb rather than reflect light such as hair or fur. So that's the D3 on the Tascam DR05. Now we'll try the next one. So now this is the Deity D3 into the Tascam DR60D Mark II, and we'll see how that sounds with the same passage. Although the camera boasts a high precision autofocus system, it may be unable to focus on the subjects listed below. Very shiny subjects such as mirrors or car bodies, subjects photographed through a window or other reflective object, dark subjects and subjects that absorb rather than reflect light such as hair or fur. So that's the passage read on the Deity D3 through the Tascam DR60D Mark II. Although the camera boasts a high precision autofocus system, it may be unable to focus on the subjects listed below. Very shiny subjects such as mirrors or car bodies, subjects photographed through a window or other reflective object, dark subjects and subjects that absorb rather than reflect light such as hair or fur. So that's all the samples off the external recorders and the X-T3 internal preamps, and to be honest, yes, there is a difference between them, but I think the X-T3 preamps and the recording it creates is very good and just as good as the other two. I'm not a sound engineer, I'm just an amateur YouTube maker, so if anyone professional is looking at that thinks, oh yeah, there's a big difference between them all. Yes, there is a difference, but I don't think there's that big a difference that I would run out and buy an external recorder to go with my X-T3. I think I would use the internal preamps on the X-T3 and only get an external recorder if I needed it for a specific reason. So that's my conclusion anyway. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave any comments in the comment section below on any other videos you want to see, or anything that you want to know about the recorders and the X-T3. If you want to see more videos, hit on that subscribe, and if you want to be notified, hit on that bell. Until next time, see you later.